research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, ventilated seats. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, SLT preferred equipment group, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, privacy glass. Inside you'll find keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.